We've been making some big updates here at Testimonial, so I wanted to give you some cool tips and tricks as to the amazing feature updates that we have in our product. So first of all, inside of any testimonial wall of love, when you're embedding it now, there is a feature to essentially allow you to use the auto load more option. And what this essentially does is, instead of displaying a load more button by default, it enables you to load more testimonials automatically by scrolling below the sections. So say, for example, with a large testimonial set on one of my spaces in the embed, for this guy, all I'd have to do is press auto load more. And you can actually see this in the preview. Rather than the load more button showing, it's going to disappear. So if I were able to scroll more on a page, it would, rather than me having to click here in order to open to get more testimonials, it would just load more by me scrolling down, which I think is a really good experience overall. It's only a minor tweak, but that improved UX is something that definitely matters. And we are trying to do this with a lot of the different features inside of the product over time. Now, another really cool update is that we actually have a transparent collecting widget inside of Testimonial. And that is specifically for when the dark theme is turned on. So if you go into our collecting widget section right here, you'll see that this is usually what it looks like. But now, if I click dark theme, you'll notice that a extra section pops up, which is transparent background. So this allows it so that I can embed this and it can have a dark theme and a transparent background whenever I'm putting it into a website. Just another small aesthetic feature, but I think you'll enjoy it nonetheless. Now onto some more functional ones that we have. You can actually add multiple images attached to a testimonial. So say you were to manually actually add a testimonial. If you go here, you can always add one by text. There's an interesting thing that happened prior where I would only be able to add one image. Say I was to add multiple images here, you'll see that's a possibility now. You can change the order inside when uploading them. And once again, this is just a minor functionality increase, but you can upload multiple attached images to testimonials now. And last but not least, I'm really excited about this. If we click on the option section here in the all inbox, guess what? There is a bulk editor now. This is huge. So prior to this, you weren't able to make many edits at once. However, there's a bunch of these that I know, for example, are just podcast reviews. And prior, I couldn't have added them to the wall of love, removed them from the wall of love. Like maybe I don't want them on there because I know it's just podcast oriented. And even being able to delete multiple at once, all these different actions are so great. And we're only going to expand the functionality here because think about it. Editing these testimonials in bulk will really help sort out anything that didn't mean to get in there. Over time, there's always clutter. Then the same thing happens for third-party integrations. You can actually bulk delete by clicking this and then selecting which ones to delete and then deleting the testimonials. You have to do one at a time, click, 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 click. Not worth it. So all of these options are really quick and easy to do now. So if you want to make massive changes to your Testimonial.to account and any space you're in, please make sure to check these out today. With that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. We appreciate all of the support that you've given us recently. Without further ado, we'll see you in the next one.